Hey everyone, I am going to try and put these sunflowers in resin, but I have to dry them out first. So I cut up some flowers these sunflowers were growing on the side of the road by my house. And I was like, I'm just gonna go cut a few, dry them out, see how they turn out. So that's what I'm doing now. Got my shears, and what I'm going to do is cut it there at the base. So like right there. Let me cut a little more. I already cut up a few. I'm just gonna cut some more. Oops. I dropped that one by accident. I have a few more. I got quite a few. I mean, there's so many growing on the side of the road. There's an ant in this one. Poor little ant. So, these are the ones I have. And I'm going to be using this textbook actually. Don't mind my dogs. They like to bark. Okay. So this is what we have. They're so pretty! Oh my god! Okay. So, let's get them off this book. What I'm gonna do is, I decided to get like a hard, my dog book. It's like, you want to use a hard cover. It'll be better. So I'm just gonna open up maybe this page. Ooh, those are some nice dogs. Alright, well, we're gonna put some flowers on, you guys. So let's move this. I'm gonna start with the little one for practice. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to turn it upside down onto here. I'm gonna Alright, I hope these books don't damage my laptop. As a matter of fact, I think I should probably take that out.
Yeah.
Alright, hold on. Alright, well, let's see how these turn out. Hopefully they turn out great. Hopefully in the next video I'll have the rest of my stuff and you guys can see me practice for the first time doing my own resin DIY project. Alright, bye.